Hey guys, reporting here. Hey Skittles. Right now it is raining really hard right now. You see? Yeah, it's raining really bad. For some, like when I looked like earlier today, it's like 5 o'clock right now. It was not even raining. Well, it was like, well, it had clouds, but it was not, raining. But now, it's raining badly. I never seen it to have that. Well, yeah, I've seen it bad like that before. But the part where it rained later, that basically defies Mother Nature. See what I'm saying? And it's really dark because no lights around here. It is, but it's not on. So yeah. And there's like someone for too. Just see, it really got in there. Yeah. It hasn't been like this until like when I came home from school. So I had to walk home in the rain. And on the way, I heard a thunderstorm. I mean, my parents. Even, I can see a lot of rain. You can tell. I bet it's gonna storm really bad tonight. And when I was on the way home, I heard a thunderstorm. And I can tell you, it ain't going outside. I just hope that it stops by at morning. I think it'll probably rain all night by the looks of it. Or maybe the power will go out, big thunderstorms. I do not know. So, before I click final, I hope you enjoyed it. Bye, guys, and be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and tell your friends about my channel. Bye.